This riverfront cabin in Pike County, Mississippi is the perfect touch of modern in the middle of the woods. With games, kayaking, and beautiful nature, this is a great place to disconnect and relax. We'll be giving you a full tour and show you what it's like to stay here for the night. Underneath this cabin, it really has that bachelor pad or guy's getaway feel to it. I love all of the rustic signs, antique decorations that make it up. Over here, they've got an outdoor shower. And then right here, of course, a classic fire pit. And then out over here is definitely one of the most beautiful parts of the property. And that is the river that this property sits on. They've got stairs that lead right down to the river itself. The hosts provide kayaks, and then you've got a swing and a hammock. Let's go on to the side porch. Real quick, if you're a host that has an amazing Airbnb you want us to feature, you can reach us at journeymore.com by filling out the contact form. On the side porch, they have a nice outdoor eating area, a grill right behind that, a cooler, perfect for having drinks out here, and then a really neat outdoor bathtub. But that's pretty much everything on the exterior, so I'm gonna turn it over to Nikki for that gorgeous interior.
By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We would love to take you along on all of our adventures and Airbnbs. So when you walk through the door, off to this side is the kitchen that is beautiful with the green cabinets and subway tile backsplash. It's got everything that you need to cook a delicious meal, including your main appliances. Across from the kitchen is the living room. I love this living room because it has a very classic and modern look. They have a faux fireplace and a TV with a little frame around it. Next to the TV, they've got some DVDs and a Super Nintendo to keep you entertained while you're here, as well as a record player and ukulele for some music. They have built-in bunk beds over in this little nook, and each of them have their own little bedside lamp and table with a little charging station for your phone, which is super thoughtful. Moving this way into the bathroom. In here, they have a nice spacious bathroom with a really clever vanity mirror combo for the setup of this bathroom. And then they have a full shower and tub with more of that subway tile. Back past the bunk beds, they've got the main bedroom with a super comfy queen bed with a view of the river. Let's go check out the deck. Off to this side, they have an outdoor eating area, and then one of my favorite spots is this outdoor seating area with this L couch that's very comfortable and a swing so that you can enjoy this beautiful spot. So if you want to book this place for yourself, we will put the link in the description below. We're gonna try this game called Space Force, and apparently it's a classic, so we'll see what. So you're supposed to try to get the momentum of this ball going all the way up the hill and drop it into the top spot. So much harder than it looks. Ready to try your hand at it?
Oh, almost Jupiter.
This is something you don't know about me. When I was in 3rd grade, I did a Louis Armstrong project where I dressed up in a suit like Louis Armstrong and did a little speech to all the moms that came around the gym. And I knew facts about him and his life and recited it. So, I know more about him than most because of the 3rd grade project.
The 3rd grade project has me intrigued.
Checkers.
Oh, you're not that bad.
He double jumped me like 4 times. He was like, choo, choo.
It's okay. We can do something else though.
Okay, deal.
No way.
Yeah.
There's some old games that I used to play.
Yeah.
Here we go. Pick your racer. Yoshi.
Master Hayden,
Okay,
let's see it.
I've mastered this.
He's gotten Pluto like so many times.
I have, and then it's gonna take me forever to get it this time.
Yeah. Wow. We're gonna take a little stroll in the river. Rather than getting the kayaks out because it's a little shallow, we're just gonna walk in the river with our new chacos.
How's it feel?
Ooh, actually feels really good because it's warm outside. Ooh, but it is cold.
The water is so nice and clear.
Yes. So there are like a ton of little tadpoles. Look at them swim. Look at them go. Oh my gosh. That is so precious. Just made my morning. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And I even had a little gold trumpet that my mom made out of a paper towel and like a cup and spray painted gold. Little did I know. Let's see, 26 minus 3 is 23. 23 years. No, wait, I was like 9.
Yeah, you were not 3 in the 3rd grade.
We're gonna cut this
Yeah,
out.
you were like 9.
Okay, anyway, yes, 3rd grade project coming tonight.